Hi, so may tanong dito si Marin. 'Di ba free yang sa inyo? Wala pong bayad? So I'll just do this in a video just to make things clear. For private rehab centers, sila talagang may bayad, no? At saka medyo mahal, no? Kasi of the facilities, of the food and the services. Pero for a government rehab center, lahat po ng mga treatment and rehab centers or TRCs dito sa buong Pilipinas ay may bayad po. At ang bayad po nila differs from one institution to another kasi depende yan sa location, sa laki ng mga buildings, sa ah, ah, laki ng binabayarang kuryente at saka tubig. So it differs from one institution to another. Okay? For example, dito sa Cagayan de Oro, we have it at 15,000 a month. And that's going to be 15,000 a month times 6 months, for example. So that's how much, like 90,000 overall. No? So talagang may bayad. That's a standard thing for government agencies. However, meron tayong tinatawag na social case study or mga social mga um, medical social services, no, mga social workers na mag-a-assess kung ano ang capability ng kliyente, ng pamilya. And based on their assessment, meron yung mga categories kung saan yan nabibilong, kung kaya ba niya ng full payment or kaya ba na need lang ng 75% discount or 25% discount or 50% discount, or better yet, meron din tayong mga 100% discount. So meron talaga pong, kumbaga, matatawag nating naging free, but by standard hindi po siya again free. Nagiging free lang because of the case study, because of the social workers na nag-investigate sa background nila. So I hope that answers your question. Feel free to ask for more.